Let's go out here and see if by some miraculous reason there would be some potatoes left that I didn't get dug. I'm going to pull these weeds up right quick because see, there's your Johnson grass. See them big white runners there? You break one little piece of that off, leave it in the ground, and it'll come right back up. We've got a bush here. Don't know how well this one come up, just like the rest of them. Comes up good. And I don't even know. I don't know if that will allow you to see. Through here. Or not. Here's a big poke plant. See, look what a poke root. As long as your hand there. So, as I said, we've got a few taters that I left in the ground. And I'm just thinking about getting them out. I ain't getting that out by hand. I'll have to. There's a big onion. Several onions. Several onions. Oh yeah. Onions. I liked. I don't know. You'd think these would be dead and gone too. The onions, that is. Get this poke plant out of the way too while we're getting. Whew. 3 big poke roots that would make good medicine of some kind, yeah. Of course, you come out here to do one thing, and naturally you have to dive in and do 2 or 3 others. I've got to get this off. Well, that goes to seed and get that out of here pretty quick. Well, onions, while I'm here, let me see if I can't find a significant amount of onions could actually be harvested that's been here a while. Yeah, boy. And I was just gonna see. That one's a shot. Look at that one onion. Onions. Big as a baseball. I'm already breaking out in a sweat. Let's see if we got any taters through here that's viable. I don't know why we wouldn't have. It's amazing. That tater's been eat up by a bug or something. Yeah, they're starting to roll out. There may be a few left, may not be. Look at that, what taters. Now these taters are they're at the end of the row, but they're still all right. That was a bad slug or snail. Some of these can be salvaged. I mean, what I'm saying is they might have this starting like that. Bad, their little, I'm burning up. Little bad spot there on the end. I ain't gonna save them. We don't need them, but I was just curious how long they'd keep out here in this hot weather. Whew! I don't know how far I went through here. I think I didn't go too far. Yeah, that right here, there might be one more. One or two more, and we'll rake around and see here. Yeah, that's it. Whew. Now, let's go over here and spray these off. See what we got. Okay, we'll rinse these off right quick. We will. Everything. I'm rinsing everything, onions and all. Let's just dump them out. We'll dump them out there. Yeah, boy. That's no good. They don't last long, I'll tell you, they don't. In that old hot ground this long. They should have been dug a long time ago. I left them to check to see how they was gonna do, and they've done fair. That was eat up. Them little critters, stuff likes to eat them. These'll make a mess or two. Anyway, you never know till you cut them open what you've got. You never know. Need to take my knife on them onions and cut them leaves off there. These onions are big red onions, and they're firm. They are firm onions. Get them old outer leaves off. They wouldn't last much longer. They're pretty solid, I tell you they are. They're pretty solid. Should have brought my snippers. I didn't know I was gonna pick onions. You never know till you get with the program. We're about there. And that's it. That, my friend, is the end of it. Onions on one side and taters on the other. I never seen such a time of heat. Well, I guess I have. I know I have. But we'll call it quits right there. This'll all drain out. It'll be just like you never knowed it. But you can see here, onions and taters. Red onions and taters. That's the end of the taters and onions. That's it. Too hot today.